Okay, we now check the here. We first let the, you can see the here is X, here is Y, right? And here is Z. We first check the here is moving by manual is good or not. We first check the welding speed. Here is only speed the parameters. We enter the system, and in the motion, here is moving speed, right? And check it here. Here is max, and the minimum is we set the 2000. Here is Y the moving speed. Here is Z moving speed, right? After set it, we next do next step. Here is Wi-Fi contact here. How to move the X and Z and Y. We check it. Here is this controller, right? We first press the start. You can check the limit, it's light, and here also have sound. You can see it. Then if you stand here, we check this. Here is go left, it's go left. X is go left. Here is go right, it's X go right. Here is up and down, is Z up and down. Here is front and back. Front is go me, right? Here is back, is go back. We check it. We go left. Here is go right, right? Here is go right. Here is go down. Here is go down. Here is go up. Here is go up. And here is go front. Here is go front. Here is go back. Okay, if you think the speed is moving slow, we can set the speed in the motion. We just check the Y. Y the speed you can slowly. We check the 2000. Then open the go front. You can speed faster, right? Yes. Okay. Here is moving the speed in X, Y, Z. The speed. Okay.